The defense industry is experiencing a transformation that most investors are completely missing. We're not just talking about traditional weapon systems or fighter jets anymore. The real action is happening at the intersection of artificial intelligence, autonomous systems, and advanced data analytics. And this shift is creating opportunities that could dwarf what we've seen in traditional defense contracting. Companies like Palantir have proven that AI-driven defense solutions can turn into multi-billion-dollar giants. Palantir isn't the only company riding this wave, and in fact, there are several smaller players that are positioning themselves to capture enormous market share in this rapidly expanding sector. That's exactly why I'm breaking down 3 AI defense stocks today that have the potential to follow Palantir's trajectory. These aren't giant, slow-moving defense contractors that take decades to generate returns. These are nimble, technology-focused companies that are winning contracts with the Pentagon, NATO allies, and major defense primes, while most investors have never even heard of them. Some of these companies are significantly smaller than Palantir right now, which means they have substantially more room to run if they execute on their roadmaps. And if history teaches us anything about emerging defense technology sectors, it's that early investors who identify these trends before the broader market catches on can see absolutely life-changing returns. So if you want to position yourself in AI defense stocks before they become household names, you need to watch this entire video. I'll be covering 3 companies that combine cutting-edge software, autonomous military systems, and real-world defense applications in ways that are catching serious attention from defense decision-makers at the highest levels. And before we dive in, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss updates on the hottest investment opportunities in the market. Let's try to get this video to 300 likes so more people can benefit from this research. Now, before we get into the stocks, I need to be crystal clear about something. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing in this video should be considered financial advice. You must do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. The stock market involves risk, and you could lose money. Always consult with a qualified financial professional before investing. With that said, let's jump into these 3 AI defense stocks. The first AI defense stock that could become the next Palantir is Red Cat Holdings, trading under the ticker symbol RCAT on the NASDAQ. Now, there are hundreds of companies trying to break into the defense drone space. But what separates Red Cat from the pack is how strategically they've positioned themselves in one of the fastest-growing niches within military technology. We're talking about tactical reconnaissance drones that are backed by advanced artificial intelligence and carry military-grade certifications that most competitors will never achieve. While many drone manufacturers try to serve both commercial markets and hobbyists, Red Cat has gone island on high-performance, defense-ready drone platforms that meet the strict security and operational requirements that U.S. military and federal agency buyers demand. This laser focus is already paying massive dividends, because instead of fighting for scraps in the crowded consumer drone market, Red Cat is competing for multi-year, multi-million-dollar contracts with the Department of Defense and allied military forces. These are the types of deals that can completely transform a company's revenue base almost overnight, and they come with recurring revenue streams that provide long-term visibility. One of Red Cat's biggest competitive advantages is their flagship product lineup, which includes the Black Widow drone. This is a small but incredibly sophisticated reconnaissance system designed for short-range tactical missions, and it's been approved for listing on the Pentagon's Blue UAS procurement list. That certification is essentially the gold standard in this industry because it tells every federal buyer, whether it's the Army, Air Force, Navy, or Homeland Security, that this technology meets the highest possible security and performance standards. Most drone companies never even get close to achieving Blue UA certification. And for Red Cat, it represents a massive competitive moat. The company has also been expanding their product lineup with the Edge 130 VTOL drone and the high-speed FANG FPV drone, giving military customers different options depending on specific mission requirements. Just recently, in October 2025, Red Cat's FANG FPV system received full Blue UAS cleared list certification, making it eligible for streamlined acquisition by federal agencies without additional waivers. These diverse offerings aren't just making Red Cat different from competitors. They're making RCAT stock one of the most compelling small-cap defense plays available today. And if we look at the stock chart over the past year, the performance has been nothing short of extraordinary. Red Cat stock surged from around $4.58 at its 52-week low to highs above $16.70 in October 2025, representing gains of over 260% at its peak. Now the stock has pulled back to around $6.96 as of early December 2025, which could represent an attractive entry point for investors who missed the initial run. The stock has shown repeated upward momentum following major contract announcements and certifications, and the recent pullback appears to be more about profit-taking and short-term guidance adjustments rather than any fundamental deterioration in the business. In fact, with short interest still above 20% of the public float, if Red Cat continues beating expectations and winning contracts, we could see a significant short squeeze that propels the stock much higher. Red Cat is constantly working to scale their operations at the fastest possible pace, without sacrificing quality or security. One of their smartest recent moves was partnering with Empirical Systems Aerospace, a top-tier AS9100 certified defense manufacturer, to ensure they can ramp up production quickly and meet large order deadlines without delays. On the software and autonomy side, Red Cat has been integrating advanced AI capabilities, including Palantir's Warp Speed platform for supply chain optimization and VNAV for autonomous drone navigation in GPS-denied environments. This AI-enhanced autonomy is exactly what military buyers are demanding, because GPS jamming is one of the primary threats in modern battlefield conditions. And drones that can operate without GPS signals have enormous tactical value. Financially, the company is on a massive growth trajectory despite recent guidance adjustments. In their third quarter of fiscal 2025, Red Cat reported record revenue with year-over-year growth of 646%, though they did revise their full-year 2025 revenue guidance down to between $25 million and $35 million due to some government contract timing delays. This is significantly lower than their previous projections, but it's important to understand that these delays are related to the complex procurement processes within the Department of Defense, not to any issues with Red Cat's technology or competitiveness. The company has secured over $75 million in capital through equity offerings in 2025, giving them the financial runway to expand operations and fulfill large contracts without liquidity concerns. With a current market cap around $832 million and major catalysts on the horizon, including potential large SRR contract awards, Red Cat represents one of the highest-risk, highest-reward plays in the AI defense sector right now. The second AI defense stock that could become the next Palantir is V2X. Trading under the ticker symbol VVX on the New York Stock Exchange, while Red Cat focuses on cutting-edge drones and autonomous systems, V2X operates in a very different but equally critical segment of defense operations. We're talking about overseas-based support, military training systems, and operational readiness services. What makes V2X particularly interesting compared to other defense contractors is that they operate in a less crowded niche where there's far less competition but still enormous and growing demand from the U.S. military and allied forces. This includes running live training ranges, building and maintaining combat training centers, and providing comprehensive operational support for military bases around the world. With the U.S. government placing increased emphasis on military readiness and strategic operations in the Asia-Pacific region, V2X is perfectly positioned to capture long-term contracts in a space where they already have a proven track record and deep relationships. The offerings that make V2X stand out include advanced, integrated training systems that combine physical infrastructure with digital simulation environments powered by artificial intelligence. They're not just building traditional firing ranges and obstacle courses, but creating training facilities that integrate AI-driven simulations to help soldiers adapt to modern asymmetric threats, ranging from cyber warfare to drone swarms and hybrid battlefield conditions. This blended physical-digital environment appeals to both senior military leadership who understand the importance of realistic training, and to younger recruits who have grown up with technology at the center of their lives. These offerings aren't limited to U.S. forces either. V2X also works extensively with allied militaries around the world, providing them with multiple international revenue streams that diversify their business model and reduce dependence on any single customer. In September 2025, V2X was awarded a position on the Defense Threat Reduction Agency's CRATRIC for contract, which has a ceiling value of $3.5 billion over a 10-year period. This contract focuses on countering chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear threats globally. And V2X is one of just 6 companies selected to compete for task orders under this massive program. When you add this to their existing $4.3 billion T-6 aircraft maintenance contract and their $3.7 billion Army Training Systems contract, you start to see the scale of V2X's pipeline. Looking at the stock chart, V2X has been steadily climbing and building a strong technical foundation. Currently trading around $54.85. Stock has gained approximately 120% from its all-time lows and remains on a consistent upward trajectory. While it might not have the explosive volatility of a small-cap stock like Red Cat, V2X offers significantly more stability and predictable growth for investors who want AI-driven defense exposure without the roller coaster ride. The company posted strong second quarter 2025 results with revenue of $1.08 billion and adjusted EBITDA of $82.4 million, beating consensus estimates and demonstrating their ability to execute at scale. The company's total backlog stood at $11.3 billion as of Q2 2025, which provides exceptional visibility into future revenue streams. Indo-Pacific operations grew 10% year-over-year in the most recent quarter, reflecting increased U.S. military focus on that strategic theater. Adjusted net income came in at $42.3 million, up 61% from the prior year. And analysts remain bullish on the stock with an average price target around $64, implying further upside from current levels. Management has reaffirmed their full-year 2025 guidance, projecting non-GAAP EPS between $4.65 and $4.95 on revenue of $4.375 billion to $4.5 billion. This combination of niche dominance in military training and base support, international reach across allied militaries, and AI-enhanced simulation capabilities makes V2X a compelling mid-cap AI defense growth story with lower risk than smaller competitors. The third and final AI defense stock that could become the next Palantir is Textron, trading under the ticker symbol TXT on the New York Stock Exchange. Unlike the previous 2 companies, Textron is already a well-established defense and industrial powerhouse with a market cap over $15 billion. But what makes Textron exciting right now for AI defense investors is the way they're integrating artificial intelligence and advanced data analytics into their proven military platforms. When you combine cutting-edge software and AI with battle-tested hardware that's already deployed around the world, you create something incredibly powerful that most competitors simply cannot replicate. Textron is the parent company of Bell Helicopters, Cessna Aircraft, and a variety of other defense and industrial brands that have been serving military customers for decades. But their Textron Systems and Textron Aviation Defense subsidiaries are where the real AI-driven defense potential lies today. The offerings that make Textron different from traditional defense contractors include the Beechcraft T-6 Texan II, which is one of the world's most widely used military flight trainers, and the Beechcraft AT-6 Wolverine, a light attack aircraft built specifically for counterinsurgency missions and close air support. These aren't just traditional aircraft that have remained unchanged for decades. Textron has been systematically equipping them with AI-powered predictive maintenance systems, advanced diagnostics, and mission planning tools that make them significantly more reliable and more effective in the field. That's the Palantir-like edge we're talking about here. Taking proven hardware that military customers already trust and overlaying cutting-edge data-driven software to create smarter, more capable defense platforms. In June 2025, Textron signed memorandums of agreement with the Royal Thai Air Force at the Paris Air Show to provide long-term maintenance and sustainment services for Thailand's T-6 and a T-6 fleets. This type of international partnership not only generates recurring revenue, but also demonstrates how Textron's AI-enhanced sustainment capabilities are attracting global military customers. The company is also making significant strides in autonomous systems through their unmanned aircraft systems division and has been investing heavily in electric aviation technology through their Textron Aviation segment. Looking at Textron stock performance, it's clear the company has been delivering consistent value for shareholders over the long term. The stock recently hit new 52-week highs around $88. And over its lifetime, Textron shares are up an incredible 1,090%. Currently trading around $81, the stock has pulled back slightly from its recent highs, which could represent an attractive entry point for long-term investors who want exposure to AI defense technology from a more established and diversified player. Textron has maintained dividend payments for 55 consecutive years, which adds an income component that neither Red Cat nor V2X currently offers. The company also has a history of strong financial performance, and management has been aggressively buying back shares, which demonstrates confidence in the business and helps drive shareholder value. Financially, Textron posted $3.6 billion in revenue in Q3 2025, beating analyst expectations on earnings despite coming in slightly below revenue estimates. Adjusted EPS came in at $1.55, exceeding the projected $1.46, and the company's operating margins improved to 8.5%. Management reaffirmed their full-year adjusted EPS guidance of $6 to $6.20, signaling confidence in their trajectory despite some near-term headwinds in certain segments. The company recently issued $500 million in notes to support growth initiatives and has been making strategic leadership appointments to strengthen their operational execution. Analysts maintain a consensus hold rating with an average price target around $92, implying approximately 13% upside from current levels. So let's wrap this all up and talk about what these three AI defense stocks mean for your portfolio. Each of these companies brings something completely unique to the AI defense landscape. And together they demonstrate that the future of military technology isn't about building bigger bombs or faster jets. It's about building smarter, more connected, more autonomous systems that leverage artificial intelligence to give warfighters decisive advantages on the battlefield. Red Cat represents the high-risk, high-reward play with their specialized tactical drones and massive growth trajectory, despite recent guidance revisions. V2X offers a middle ground with their stable training and base support contracts that provide predictable revenue and exposure to a high-enhanced simulation systems. And Textron gives investors a way to access AI defense technology through an established company with decades of proven execution, diversified revenue streams, and a dividend that provides downside protection. The key insight here is that you don't have to pick just one of these stocks. In fact, depending on your risk tolerance and investment timeline, you might consider building a diversified position across multiple AI defense stocks to capture different aspects of this megatrend. For aggressive investors with higher risk tolerance, Red Cat offers the most explosive upside potential. For conservative investors who want stability and dividends, Textron provides exposure with much less volatility. And for investors seeking a balanced approach, V2X sits right in the middle with solid fundamentals and meaningful growth potential. The broader defense AI market is projected to grow at a compound annual rate exceeding 20% over the next decade as militaries around the world prioritize autonomous systems, AI-driven intelligence, and data analytics capabilities. Before you go, if you found this breakdown valuable and educational, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss our coverage of the hottest stocks in the market. Drop a comment below letting me know which of these three AI defense stocks you're most interested in and why. Are you Team Red Cat with the high-growth drone play? Team V2X with the training systems angle? Or Team Textron with the established defense giant approach? I read every single comment, and I love hearing your perspectives. And once again, remember that this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with qualified financial professionals before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll continue uncovering the best investment opportunities before the rest of the market catches on. Disclaimer: this content is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice, investment advice, or a recommendation to buy or sell any securities. I am not a financial advisor. Always conduct your own thorough research and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Investing in stocks involves substantial risk, including the potential loss of principal. Past performance does not guarantee future results.